Hey everyone, so I found out I've got like 3 more palettes of the berries. However, I think, yeah, this palette is called Blueberry. I want to use like that periwinkle color right there. So 2 of the palettes, I'm going to use one for the lid and then the rest for the rest of the eyes. So this one is the Berries 1 palette. So let me go. I put a little bit of like a light purple lipstick that was here, rather than look for my my eye crayons, and just that's what I used. I put a tiny bit because I have not been feeling well ever since we came back from the rodeo. Let me tell you, I would never ever do that again. That's why I got the, that's really pretty. That's why I didn't get the video up till, I think, Tuesday, 2 days ago, because I just wasn't feeling well. Very pretty color. I'm going to use this color right here for the contour. I mean, as neutrals go, I like it. But, you know, I'm not really like a neutral only person. So, I just wanted to mix those 2 palettes together. And next week I'll do the Berries 2 with this palette as well. I'm going to use that mauve as the highlight. It looks really light, but on my brush it looks dark. We'll see how that goes. I guess it's okay. And I'm going to put that color in the inner corner. It's like a shimmery color. Trying to blend it a little bit better. And I'm just going to use black mascara, eyeliner, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. And I'm going to use a lavender. Go with this lavender right here. This lavender seems to have more glitter than the others. So let's see how that works out. Oh, wow. Looks like it's a bit more chunky. But anyway, I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I wanted to try that watermelon lip gloss. I don't like the it's like you see how it's getting all messed up? I don't know if I'm really doing it justice, but I don't like when the brush is like a brush. I think doe foot's probably better, but anyway. Today I decided to use this pink color as a blush. Let me tell you, that is no highlighter. It's too dark. Maybe for women of color it might work. And then I used this pink one, it's pretty, as the highlighter. So yeah, that's what I used. Yeah, again, I'd like to say I am impressed with those eyeshadows. They're pretty good. Anyway, so as you can see, I did bleach the hair. I just bleached it yesterday. I just did the roots, and most of the peach came out. I only got this little bit of peach here and a little bit of peach there. Well, I was trying to do, I got a little bit of peach on the bottom as well. So anyway, I tried just to do the roots, but anyway, so next week I will refresh the color. So yeah, as far as that. So anyway, I did just wanted to tell you real quick. I did have to use some of this because this purple color, because the purple in there, I used the little bit that I used on this eye. Took up most of the glitter, and then this eye was just kind of greasy, and I did not want my makeup to crease, so I put that in to kind of set it in.